Royal Pet Incorporated presents their charcoal litter box cleanup kit to quickly assist in cat box cleaning. The Fresh Kitty 4-piece litter box cleanup kit is an excellent maintenance kit for you and your feline family members. It's the perfect companion for your cat box. Kit includes litter scoop, sweeper, dustpan and sanitation cubby all in one. Conveniently hangs from the back of any kitty litter box and neatly stows all essential cat box cleaning tools. Recognizing the critical role pets play in people's families, all Royal Pet products are produced with the simple principle of delivering maximum grade quality. Royal Pet Incorporated presents their charcoal litter box cleanup kit to quickly assist in cat box cleaning. The Fresh Kitty 4-piece litter box organizer is an excellent starter kit for you and your new feline family members. The litter box cleanup kit is the perfect companion for your cat box. Kit includes litter scoop, sweeper, dustpan, and sanitation cubby all in one. Conveniently hangs from the back of any kitty litter pan and neatly stows all essential cat box cleaning tools since establishing in 1996. Royal Pet Incorporated has become a cooperative global supplier of products that enhance the lives of pets and their humans. Core values include adaptability, honesty, innovation, knowledge, results, and a global viewpoint. Recognizing the important role that pets play in people's lives, all products and brands are developed via the simple principle of delivering maximum grade items which enhance your and your pet's quality of life. Royal Pet Incorporated understands pets are family. They also understand there are about 2.7 million healthy shelter animals that remain unadopted each year, and only about 30% of pets in the homes come from shelters or rescues. Royal Pet Incorporated does all it can to help shelters and rescue groups. In 2015 alone, the company donated almost $75,000 worth of items for consumption to numerous shelters and rescues in the company's home state of Minnesota. The Royal Pet Incorporated broad spectrum of products includes everything from waste management solutions, toys, rawhide and extruded treats, plus excellent pet apparel. Top reviews from the United States. Compact and convenient. Buying without being able to inspect something first still makes me hesitate, but we adopted a new kitty from a local shelter and I couldn't find our old scoop that got packed away after our elder kitty passed and then misplaced in our move 2 years ago. I chose this one because it was compact and was budget-friendly. I am extremely pleased. It's comfortable to hold and use, easy to clean, clips to the side of the litter box so my kitty can't kick it over. The plastic is quite sturdy and the small sweeper and dustpan actually work rather well. I use a corncob litter which can be a little challenging to sweep with a nylon bristle broom, but this little guy is tackling it like a champ on our bathroom tile floor. Excellent value, and I would choose this again for myself or as a gift to a new cat owner.